guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I am so excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a haul from one of my favorite places ever, Tjmaxx. I give all of my money to Tjmaxx. They have such great finds. You can find clothes, you can find accessories, you can find home decor, you can find literally everything. Travel, shoes, makeup, scents, perfumes, anything you want in Tjmaxx, and I love that. Tjmaxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, I'm all up on there, you guys. So this is gonna be a quick little haul of the things that I got for my recent trip. I normally do it on Instagram, but my Instagram reel is so full, and I thought it would be better to just kind of like give you guys an actual video so you guys can look at it again and again if you guys want, rather than it disappearing on my Instagram page. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so right now. I do have previous hauls up on there, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow me, because I think you can only, when you follow, you can see the highlight reels. When you don't follow, you can't see them. So if you guys would like to see what I got this time around, please do continue watching. See ya. Alright, so the first thing that I did get was this perfume set, and this is the Live Colorfully from Kate Spade. I love the box. It's orange and like a peach color. This fragrance is one of my absolute favorites. I actually used to wear this fragrance when I met John in Nordstrom. I bought it then, and I was like in love with it. I think the scent is so nice. I don't know why it's on clearance. I don't know why it's in Tjmaxx. I don't know why, because usually things that are in those stores are kind of like off season or old, or people don't like it and stuff like that. But I personally am obsessed with this fragrance. So the fact that I got this whole entire set for $50 is crazy. I think this one is actually originally from Nordstrom. It has the UII on it, which is hilarious. So I had a set like this before, and it came with the lotion similar to this. This is the Kate Spade body lotion. It comes with a 3.4 ounce Live Colorfully fragrance, and I don't know why I love this so much. It smells so much like when I first met John and that whole time in my life, and that was actually a pretty good time. So I love the fact that I can still wear this and find it. And then it comes with this one, which is actually different to me. For me, I got the roller ball, which was like the full thing as a roller ball. This one comes with a little roller ball and a gloss at the end. And the gloss doesn't smell like anything, but it's like a nice, like a pink kind of gloss. I'm probably not going to wear this, but this guy right here is heavenly. I love that. So I might keep this in my purse just because, you know. The next thing I picked up was this super cute backpack. Okay, first of all, who skips the bag section in Tjmaxx? Are you kidding me? And literally every time I go in there, I leave with a handbag because they have the cutest handbags. Look at this little freaking backpack. Like, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. I got it for 30 bucks. What? And this is, what is this? This is Urban Expressions. And I think originally it was like 40 bucks and I got it for 30, but oh my god, this is so cute. It's so nice. It feels like really nice quality. And inside is just really nice and big. You can fit anything in there. And this is just perfect for like fall with a leather jacket. That's actually what sold me on it. I had my leather jacket on and I put this on and it looked so cute together. So I'm obsessed. I like that the straps are really nice and long. You can wear it longer. They're adjustable, of course. You can wear it long, you can wear it short. It has this like little thing here. I don't know, I guess if you're like traveling, you can kind of hook it on. I don't know if that's what it's for, but I like that. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. You guys are gonna die when you see the next little purse that I picked up. It is an Isabel handbag, and it looks like this. Ah, I'm obsessed. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I feel like a little like British girl when I have this. I love it. Like, you know how they go to like tea parties and they have the little hats on, their little top handle bags? Yes girl, that is me. Thank you. Look at that. It opens up like that, and inside, and it does have a longer strap as well. So cute. Yes. I love this. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna keep it until I find that occasion. I love it. I'm obsessed. I thought it was so cute. I've been really into like these things with like top handles. So I like that a lot. I like top handle bags. I'm obsessed. Alright, so then the next thing I got was this pen, and oh my god, I'm so excited about this pen. Honestly, just like the bag section, I cannot pass up the stationery section at all. Like, at all. It's ridiculous. Look at it. It is the cutest. It's like a little diamond, and it's a rose gold pen, and you just go ahead and write anything. I'm obsessed. This is my new favorite desk pen. I love it. So then to write in, I picked up this little notebook. You guys will be seeing this again soon. I have a couple of items in this little haul that I did get for a travel video that I'm going to be doing. So you'll see this one again in that video. But I love, love, love little stationery cute notebooks. This one is really nice and sturdy. This was $4.99, and I like the pages. They're very big, and I love books that like open out wide. Like you don't have to like, you know, it's not like a little bit and you have to like squeeze your hand in there and write. This one is like, hello, let's go. So I love that. So a couple of the items that I did pick up are actually going to be shown in another video, more geared towards travel. So I'm not going to be sharing with you guys those things that I picked up. So then I went ahead and I picked up these two earrings, and these are the cutest earrings ever. I am so in love with them. I'm obsessed with this one and these ones. Finally, I have some tassel earrings. I'm so excited. This one is the absolute cutest. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. If that's a better view of them. These are so pretty. They are from Lucky Brand, and I think these are the cutest things ever, girl. I love these. I think these are so nice. They're gonna pair so well with like leather jackets or like black clothes, light clothes, any type of clothes. I just wear black clothes, so everything needs to be matching with black clothes. But I love this. This was like 14 bucks. So good, my friends. And then this one was 10 bucks. And I love it. I think these are so cute. Yes, girl. They have like the prettiest little gemstone right on top. I love that. I used to really be into like dangly big earrings, but then I got into like studs, and it was just like not a headache to like put on and take off, and they would just stay there. So yeah, I took a long break from dangly earrings, but now I think I really want to get into them again. They're pretty cool. Then the next thing I got was this marble holder. It's like a pen holder. It has 3, and then it has a little section right here. This is from the brand Beano, and this was 10 bucks. I'm gonna put this on my desk. I'm clearing out my desk right now to put this in. But I love that it is marble. It is just everything. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bright. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't see if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. So as I was leaving the checkout, I saw this shirt, and I was like, I cannot leave this store without this shirt in my possession. So I went ahead and I picked up this guy right here. This is so cute. It has eyelashes and lips on it. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. It is so cute. I'm obsessed. I love it. I cannot wait to wear it. It is actually one of those, like, it's a collared shirt, and it has like that tie bottom, so you could tie it up in the front. This is gonna look so cute. I was thinking of doing this on like 4th of July or something like that. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed. And then the last thing that I have is actually one that my mom saw, and I thought this was so cute. It is so like calm and cool, and pairing this with like a pair of leggings, I think it's gonna look so cute. It's just like a really cute tunic type top, and it's kind of like linen, I want to say. I love the button detailing on the back of it, and this just looks so nice. I love the plants. You guys know I'm like a plant freak now. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love that one. So yeah, those are all the products that I picked up from TJ Maxx this time around. I am so excited to be starting this new TJ Maxx haul series. I will definitely be doing more of these videos. If you guys would like to see that, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up or leaving a comment down below. I love shopping, and I love taking you guys along with me. I think this is a really great way to just kind of like haul it all at the end of the day with a cute video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in another video. See you later. Bye.